Chilopsis linearis is the desert willow. The desert willow is not a true willow. This is one of those instances where the common name might be a little bit confusing, but the common name has the word willow in it because of the willow-like leaf on the desert willow. This is a small tree, only about 30 feet tall max, kind of an irregular outline, sometimes very flexible branches. It has this long linear leaf with no teeth on the margin. It's a simple leaf alternately arranged on the stem. This plant actually is just on the verge of not being cold tolerant enough for Oklahoma, but typically it makes it through our winters just fine. It may have some winter damage in some of the more severe winters, but it's very, very drought and heat tolerant, which is one of the best aspects of the plant. The flowers actually are these tubular-shaped flowers that are produced on the current season's growth. So as the plant continues to grow throughout the season, it can produce more flowers from late spring really until the frost. It starts to slow down around in August to September, but you'll have intermittent flowers throughout the whole growing season. The fruit itself is this long pod, which is about anywhere from 4 to 8 inches. It has a dry seed, kind of a dry flat seed, and then splits open to let those seeds go after the pod has matured. And these are being produced throughout the season as well, because this is a perfect flower, so all of the flowers will produce fruit. Here's just a little bit of an image of the flower buds. The actual stems are kind of a brownish, reddish brown color, and very, very flexible, kind of a little bit irregular shaped, and there are some very distinct lenticels that we'll see when we see this plant during lab. This really doesn't have much of a fall color. It kind of turns a little bit yellowish, but not a showy fall color at all. The main sort of ornamental value to this is the flowers, the long flowering season, and also just the fact that it is so heat and drought tolerant.